Good evening, friends. This is Victor Uniform to Uniform, and today I will show you a demonstration of Arduino UNO CW Decoder. This is Arduino UNO board R3 model connected to a 16 by 2 LCD screen. The whole system is being fed by a power supply of 5 volt, and the audio is connected to my IC718, and the CW is coming, and you can see that HA8JV Hotel Alpha 8 Juliet Victor is giving a test call, and he is waiting for some station also. So that is Hotel Alpha 8 Juliet Victor. The audio signal is being decoded by the Arduino UNO board out here, and there's a LED on the board which is showing the signal also. So it's a very simple setup, a very low cost setup. Arduino UNO board, a small LED, and a 16 by 2 LCD screen. So he's having a QSO now. He's waiting for the call sign. So he's saying that 9 alpha 5 again. So he said 9 alpha 5 Sierra Tango 599 and 1 Tango 13. I think there is some contest going on. So it's the right time for the signals out here. So once again I'll show you. This is a Arduino UNO board R3 model connected to a power supply giving 5 volts, connected to a 16 by 2 LCD screen, and the audio signal is coming from my IC718. So here you see that the system is working fine, and it can be easily homebrewed. So this is a demonstration of Arduino UNO CW Decoder station. So thank you so much my friends for watching the video. Hope to see you again down the log. 73s. This is your station Victor Uniform 2 Uniform. Now signing off and clear. Bye bye.